boats dance in the late sun's gleam. Wood paneling whispers a forgotten dream. The porch swing waits, a silent plea for hands that held it, now set free. That silver spoon set, tarnished bright, reflects a past lost to the night. Dad's old watch, a steady tick, time slips away, oh so quick. The auctioneer's hand, poised to descend, a moment held that has no end. This slow auction, a tender art, breaking a home, breaking a heart. This slow auction, a bittersweet sale. I bid on memories beyond the veil of what was mine, what I once knew. The hammer never falls for me and you. This slow auction, the price is high for every tear beneath the sky. A digital count, a silent hum, but the final tap, it hasn't come. Bunting is rising, a gentle flight. Tears fold themselves in pale moonlight. Each empty space, a story told of laughter shared, brave and bold. Echoes linger in the hall, answering no one's beck and call. Just shadows stretching on the floor, locking up the bolted door. The auctioneer's hand, poised to descend, a moment held that has no end. The slow auction, a tender art, breaking a home, breaking a heart. This slow auction, a bittersweet sale. I bid on memories beyond the veil of what was mine, what I once knew. The hammer never falls for me and you. This slow auction, the price is high for every tear beneath the sky. A digital count, a silent hum, but the final tap, it hasn't come. The room is bare, the crowd has gone, just the podium waiting for dawn. And the gavel rests, a solitary sign of all that was and is no longer mine. This slow auction, the counter resets to zeros. A final whisper from a lonely hero. The hammer finally taps a single soft sound. What was lost is now found on this hallowed ground.